Welcome to Nurse Nikki's Coconut Cakes. If you're new to my channel, you know we get right to it. Just want to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel and save our playlist. Let's get started. Stacking dishes on top of each other before they are dry is called A, wet dishes, B, wet nesting, C, wet vesting, D, air drying. B, wet nesting. Solvent cleaners are also known as A, acidic cleaners, B, abrasive cleaners, C, degreasers, D, delimers. C, degreasers. Acidic cleaners are also known as A, solvent cleaners, B, abrasive cleaners, C, degreasers, D, delimers. D, delimers. What is an example of an abrasive cleaner? A, yellow sponge, B, worn dish rag with soap, C, Brillo pad, D, none of the above. C, Brillo pad. During what hours of operation should sanitizer be available? A, during all hours of operation, B, in the mornings, C, in the evenings, D, during cleaning time. A, during all hours of operation. Dishwashers often have mineral deposit buildup. What cleaner is best in this situation? A, solvent cleaner, B, abrasive cleaners, C, acidic cleaners, D, all of the above. C, acidic cleaners. What can lead to ineffective clean and sanitized dishes? A, not scraping off all food prior to washing. B, leftover soap on dishes before sanitizing. C, sanitizing less than 30 seconds. D, all of the above. D, all of the above. When working with raw meats, you don't always have to clean and sanitize when switching from one animal product to another. True or false? True. When making foods that contain nuts, you want to make sure to A, clean all items thoroughly that come in contact with that food. B, make sure mixing buckets are labeled. C, clean workstation thoroughly in between use. D, all of the above. D, all of the above. You have to clean and sanitize equipment after cutting beef, then proceeding to cut chicken. True or false? False. What is the minimal temp manual dishwashing water should be? A, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, B, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, C, 171 degrees Fahrenheit, D, 97 degrees Fahrenheit. A, 110 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the minimal tip sanitizer water should be? A, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, B, 160 degrees Fahrenheit, C, 171 degrees Fahrenheit, D, 97 degrees Fahrenheit. C, 171 degrees Fahrenheit, 77 degrees Celsius. There is a set time on when you should check your sanitizing solution. True or false? False. How can you ensure that your sanitizing water is still working? A, check water temp. B, test water with manufacturer test strip. C, change every 4 hours. D, all of the above. B, test water with manufacturer recommended test strip. How many steps are there to correctly cleaning and sanitizing dishes? A, 7, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. D, 5 steps. What is the correct order of those 5 steps? A, wash, scrape, sanitize, rinse, air dry. B, scrape, wash, sanitize, rinse, air dry. C, scrape, wash, rinse, sanitize, air dry. D, rinse, scrape, wash, sanitize, air dry. C, scrape, wash, rinse, sanitize, then air dry. You should do what first with CIP equipment before cleaning it? A, remove any small removable parts. B, unplug it. C, scrape away any foods. D, remove all large removable parts. B, unplug it. What does CIP mean? A, center inventory parts. B, cleaning inner parts. C, clean in place. D, none of the above. C, clean in place. Are you subscribed to Nurse Nikki's Coconut Cakes where we upload several videos a week? A. Yes, as well as saved the playlist. B. I'll get right to it. C. Laugh out loud. I just hit subscribe. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Check out these videos for more food safety education and cottage food information. Thank you for tuning into Food Safety Test with Nurse Nikki's Coconut Cakes Cleaning and Sanitizing Edition. Don't forget, all the flavor minus the frosting.